I'm headed right through the middle of those big snowy Rocky Mountains. I'm headed over to the Flathead Valley to do some house sitting for about 10 days. I made it to the Flathead, and look what has welcomed me home. I love this place, the wildlife. It's unending. There's always something to see, to give you some pleasure. Anyway, Terry will be here in a little bit, and in a couple of days, we're going to go look at a van. How exciting is that? Well, remember I said that I was thinking about getting a van? Well, I just turned 200,000 miles over on Little Miss Go-Go. Well, gonna turn over 200,000 miles on Go-Go. Just pulling up the hill, heading north out of Lakeside. Here it is, 200,000 miles. Oh my gosh. Good old Go-Go. And she's still doing great. I have actually sold her. Check this out. 2005 Chevy Express. This is, I think I'm gonna call it Spaz van. Like I said, it's old as 2005. But if you notice, there were double doors behind the passenger seat. Well, check this out. I've got a set of double doors on the driver's side too. And Mork, the cat, is helping. Hey, Mork. So anyway, it needs a lot of TLC on the interior, but as you can tell, it was a work van and it's mostly dirty. Gotta order a new handle. Some of the seats are gone already, well, one of them. So of course I'll be pulling these two out. I'm about ready to head into town and get some of that stuff to help loosen the bolts, because I know they are gonna be, oh, door doesn't like to stay open. Evidently. There we go, just got to get it past it. And that's the rear. This is Spaz Van Gogh, official name. I have been pretty excited about this. I have, like I said, sold Go-Go, so I'm going to be taking her to her new owner, and then he's going to drive back with me, and I'll be picking up Spaz and heading back home across the mountains. This is going to be exciting. Going to be some new, different stuff on the channel. It's going to take a while. Like I said, she needs some TLC, but she's going to be a good partner once we get her going. And I will include you every step of the way on everything we do and add to Spaz, and we'll enjoy it together. Have a great day. See you soon.